Hello everyone, today I'm going to solve some problem of indices like 5 number. 5 number is simplify. The question is x power a by a x power b. Here is whole power a square plus a multiply x to the power b, x to the power b by x to the power c whole power b square plus bc plus c square multiply and then x to the power c by x to the power a. Here c square plus ca plus a square. Here you can is equals to uh, then after here we can write x a minus b, because here is divided, so we can write a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Here also same thing, x b power minus c is nothing, then b square plus bc plus c square. Similarly here we can write x to the power c minus a whole bracket c square plus c a plus a square. Then after here similarly we can write x a cube minus b cube, because a multiply a square a cube minus minus plus minus, then after ab plus minus minus and then b cube, so we can write easily a cube minus b cube. And then after here also we can write x b cube uh, b cube minus c cube, here cube, multiply x c cube minus a cube. Here similarly uh here x a cube minus b cube, here is plus because here is multiply, so we can write plus b cube minus c cube, here also plus c cube minus a cube. It will be cancelled each other, and then here also negative positive is equals to x to the power 0 is equals to 1. It's your one answer. And then similarly b number also same thing, b number is here. The question is x square l by x square m whole square to l square plus 2lm plus 2m square. Here also multiply, so we can write here 2m 2, and then here also x square n, and then here also whole square m square plus 2mn plus 2n square. Here also x2n by x2l whole square n square plus 2nl 2nl plus plus 2l square 2l it is square. Similarly here we can write x square l minus 2m and then whole square. Here also we can write 2l square plus 2l m plus 2m square. Here is multiply, here also x square m minus n whole square 2m square plus 2n sorry, here is m and then n plus 2n square multiply, here also x square n minus l multiply all to the power 2n square plus 2nl plus 2l square. You can see here 2l square. And then after you can write here x, and then 2 is common, so 2l minus m. Here also 2 is common, so we can write l square plus l m plus m square. Here also similar, same thing, x, 2 is common, m minus n. Here is curly bracket, we can write, and then 2 is common, m square plus m square mn plus n square. And then here also x, 2n, 2 is common, so minus l, 2 is common, so we can write n square plus nl plus l square. L square is equals to here is 2 to the 4, so we can write x to the power 4l minus m. Then after here also x, we can write x, x to the power 4, then after m minus n, then we can use bracket there again, x to the power 4, because 2 and then 2 to the 4, we can write n minus 1. Here we can write easily m cube, l cube, and then m cube, n cube, and l cube, because l square into l square, so m cube, and then this formula is m cube minus n cube, l cube minus m cube, so we can write easily this one. Then after we can write 1x, and then 4l cube minus 8 is common, so 4m cube, here is plus 4m cube minus 4n cube, here also we're going to plus 4n cube minus 4l cube, so it will be cancelled each other. It is also negative positive, it will be x to the power 0, and then it will be 1. It's your answer. Similarly, Shinemar also say the question is a to the power x divided a to the power y, and then x square plus xy plus y square. Here is multiply a to the power y divided a to the power z. Here is and then y square plus y z plus z square. Then after here also a to the power z divided a x whole to the power is equals to z square plus zx plus x square. Here is x is equals to, we can write here we can write a x minus y, and then x square plus xy plus y square. Then here also a y minus z, and then y square plus yz plus z square. Here also we can write a z power x, and then z square plus z x plus x square, and then after we can write a, it means x cube minus y cube multiply here also a y cube minus z cube, and then here also a z cube minus x cube. There again we can write x cube minus y cube plus y cube minus z cube plus z cube minus x cube. It will cancel each other. Is equals to a to the power 0 is equals to 1. Your answer here is x. uh, so you can understand easily. G number G number also same. uh, uh I'm right. I'm writing question first of all, then after explain. X 3a divided x 3b whole 3a square plus 3ab plus 3b square multiply here also x3b divided x3c, and then here also 3b square plus 3b plus 3c square, and then here also uh, x 3c divided by x 3a whole square is equals to 3c square plus 3ca plus 3a square. Question is here, you can see. And then after I'm going to write then just like we can write x 3 is common, then a minus b, and then power is 3 is also common, and then we can write 3a square plus ab plus b square, and then here also x 3 is common, b minus c, and then we can 3 is common here also, b square plus oh here is mistake, here also c, bc plus c square, and then here also x 3 is common, c minus a, and then here also 3 is common, we can write c square plus ca plus a square. Here we can write x 3 3 are 9, we can write a cube minus b cube easily. Here also x 3 3 are 9, and then b cube minus c cube, and then here also x to the power 9, and then here bracket c cube minus a cube, it is also cube, and then is equals to, we can write x to the power 9a cube minus 9b cube plus 9b cube minus 9c cube plus 9c cube minus 9a cube. Because it is common, so we can use both side, so it is cancel it and then it x to the power 0 is equals to 1. It's your answer. Similar so it is your answer. It is cancel this, and then this is this, and then this is this, so we can write x to the power 0 equal to 1. Answer. Similarly e number also similar. Here the question is x to the power a square plus b square by x a b, and the whole power is a minus b. Multiply x to the power b square plus b plus bc by x minus c square, and then whole b minus c. Here is multiply again x to the power c square plus ac by x a square. Here c minus a so is equals to here we can write x a square plus ab plus b square and then a minus b, because here is minus, so it will be goes off, then it will be positive, so we can write, and then here also b square plus bc plus c square, here also b minus c, and then here also multiply x c square plus ac plus a square c minus a, and then after it is a cube minus b cube, because it will be multiply each other, so the formula of a cube minus b cube, a square plus ab plus b cube b square, so then after here also b cube minus c cube, and then here also x, and then it will be c cube minus a cube. Similarly, we can write only x a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. It will we can say either it is, and then it is equals to x to the power 0 is equals to 1. It's your answer. And then similarly, f number also same. F number, the question is x a square plus b square x a b. Here a plus b, here is multiply x b square plus c square by x b c, here b plus c, here also multiply x c square plus a square by x a c, multiply power c plus a. Here we can write x a square minus ab plus b square, and then a plus b power multiply x b square minus bc plus c square, and then b plus c, here x c square minus ac plus a square, so c minus c plus a is equals to here it means x a cube plus b cube multiply x b cube plus c cube, here also multiply x c cube plus a cube, and then after here also x a cube plus b cube plus b cube plus c cube plus c cube plus a cube, then after here also x, and then 2a cube plus 2b cube plus 2c cube, because a cube plus a cube 2a cube, and then b cube plus b cube 2b cube, c cube plus c cube 2c cube. So here x square is common, then bracket a cube plus b cube plus c cube. It's your answer. This much. G number is here. The question is x L square plus M square by x minus L M whole power L minus M multiply M x M square plus N square by x minus M n. Here M minus n. Similarly, multiply x n square plus L square by x minus n L. Here n minus L there is equals to it will be, we can write x L square plus L M plus M square is plus whole power L minus M multiply. Here we can write x M square, which is M square plus Mn plus N square whole power M minus N. Then after, here also similar, multiply x N square plus NL NL plus L square. Here also N minus L. Again we can write x L cube minus M cube. There also x M cube minus N cube, and then here also x and then N cube minus L cube is equals to x L cube minus M cube plus M cube minus N cube plus N cube minus L cube. It will cancel each other. It will be x0 is equals to 1. It's your answer.